Know Christ and make Him known. When I left Dubai in 2005, the construction of Burj Khalifa had just begun. Even though I didn't know its actual height, there were signs indicating that it would be the tallest building in the world. I was curious to know about it, its construction, but couldn't find the details about its final height. In today's world, with smartphones, tablets, and instant internet access, we can find out almost anything. For example, if you ask Siri, how tall is the Burj Khalifa? You'll get an almost instantaneous response. However, if we are talking to a construction worker who spent 5 years building the Burj Khalifa, we would not only get the right information, but also hear about it with great passion. This is similar to what it means to know Christ and the power of His resurrection. It goes beyond simply knowing truths about Christ or the Bible. Knowing Christ involves having an intimate relationship with Him, one that changes our life. Paul addresses the church in Corinth and tells them that it is different between knowing about Jesus and knowing Jesus in a personal way. In 1 Corinthians chapter 2, verse 2, Paul writes, "For I decided to know nothing among you except Jesus Christ and Him crucified." As we strive for a deeper relationship with Christ, the Holy Spirit will also prompt us to boldly share God's love with others, revealed through His Son, Jesus Christ, on the cross. Paul urges us today to bravely carry the burden of reaching out to the lost souls and actively proclaiming the good news within our sphere of influence, and emphasizing the need for unwavering consistency in our actions. My brothers and sisters, we need to know Christ and make Him known. God bless.